but the blockchain space is important for us, and then Tufi, who's here, is one of the creators of the blockchain in the medical space with the Awakening Health, where we're developing the first AI humanoid robot for medical treatment as a digital therapy. So that is another area we work a lot in. And then the other one that I focus on is the Sophiaverse, which is discussed yesterday, which provides a basis for how we see education.
They're going to create hive mind.
The AI human hive mind, which is, I think, a central point in the educational process to what we like to do.
그게 지구촌을 하나로 다 글로벌 브레인을 만들어서 하나로 다 해서 AI와 인간이 협력하는 그 공간 막 국가가 없어지는 거예요. 사람들 말로 얘기하면.
Because our principle
거기에 우리가 멤버가 되는 겁니다.
in education.
자, 우리
찍어드려야 되겠네. 네.
여기는 또 대구야.
AI networking. Yesterday took this forum.
Yeah.
I try to understand very focus.
They couldn't understand what hypercycle is.
It's very hard to understand. I still am not sure I understand.
Software can network each other and then make
Yeah.
huge.
그냥 가만히 있는 이런 컴퓨터에 사용하지 않을 때 또는 빈 공간 사용하고 있어도 쓰지 않는 공간을 전부 연결하면은 우리가 슈퍼컴퓨터를 막 앞으로 수천 대를 계속 써야 되잖아요. 세트에서 필요 없이 이걸로 대체한다. 그래서 에너지를 줄이고 어차피 이용하고 있는 거를 그죠 한다. 그런 개념도 있고 요 AI와 저 AI가 연결이 잘 안 되는데 연결하는 그 시스템을 또 만들어 가지고 또 연결시키고 그러니까 이 세상에 없는 걸 하는 사람들이에요. 이 사람들.
약간 추상적으로.
그렇죠. 그래도 만들어내요. 처음에 이야기할 때는 좀 또라이 같다 이렇게 얘기해도 만들어내서 돌리더라고.
It's interesting. So I would like to introduce our curriculum. So our school is the first cyber university of the Korea. We started.
미래를 만들어갑니다.
I'm sorry.
한국 열린사이버대학교는 1998년 2월 국내 최초 가상대학 프로그램 시범 운영대학으로 선정되어 국내 최초의 사이버대학으로서 대한민국 사이버대학의 선구자 역할을 하였습니다. 지식기반 사회에 온라인 교육 혁신을 열어가는 한국 열린사이버대학교는 OCU 학부과정과 컨소시엄 사이버 캠퍼스 그리고 온라인 평생교육원을 운영하며 국내 유일의 차별화된 교육 서비스를 제공하고 있습니다. OCU 학부과정은
Since I don't understand any of this, is it really worth to go through it?
85개의
There's no
컨소시엄
point.
사이버 캠퍼스
I'm sorry.
Really?
English version.
There's no point.
Okay.
I get the idea.
You get the idea.
8 minutes of this is not going to help me at all.
자막을 하시면 영어로 나올지 모르겠어요. 자막은
안 만들어 놓으실 수
안 만들었으면 안 나올 것 같은데.
됐어요. 선생님 이거 말고 이제 실제로.
한글 자막만 나오네.
So we have 80, more than 88.
Right. 80 schools.
Yeah.
We connect
Wow.
to every.
Yeah, a lot of universities among the because they're the first cyber university which teaches online, and they all joined 88.
So they're all
universities.
online. They're not. Are they not? They're not physical, or what is the 88 then?
88 universities like Yonsei University Daiichi.
Right.
That is also connected here. How many universities? 88 universities. Yonsei and what else? 성균관 University. 중북 University.
All the national universities.
So how do they
All the
connect?
national
How do they
universities.
connect to them?
Oh, they give you the credit. Students get the credit if they get
Oh,
the
I see.
online.
So they
you know,
can-
yes, they can.
So the students who are
Like,
part of the 88 universities
yeah.
can get the credit.
The online course is like what do you call that?
Like Minerva School.
미네르바 스쿨 말고 또 제일 큰 거 있잖아요. 왜?
Right.
Yeah, something like online.
공통대.
공통대 말고 미국에서 그
미국에.
뭐지? 요즘 자꾸 잊어먹어. 제일 큰 거.
Right.
콜세라.
Coursera.
Like
Okay.
yeah, sort of like a Coursera.
So we provide all the online contents to other universities,
Right.
which don't have their own cyber university. So we curriculum is all open. That's why we call Open Cyber University
Okay.
of Korea.
I get it.
And more than than 6,000 students in our OCU, and
Right.
for the consortium we have this many students are taking their credit from 88 courses.
What is the 6,000?
6,000 is our own students.
And what is the 146,000?
That's
They're coming from the other
Universities.
universities which
Ah,
do
okay.
not have the online courses.
Yeah,
Okay,
they just got their credit for summer semester or winter semester.
right.
스쿨에서만 해야 됐다는 마음은 너무 강했지만 내가 당장 일을 그만두기에는 리스크가 너무
나도
큰 거였지.
Okay. So we also connect 2,000 of companies. We got the MOU and they send their own 직원을 보내주고.
Yeah, they send their staff members to be trained here for AI training as well as AR, VR, whatever.
Right.
And that's periodically
Oh, I see.
conducted.
Okay, that's OCU.
교과목을 개설하여 학과의 경쟁력을 강화하고 미래 사회가 요구하는 인재를 양성할 수 있도록
Department of AI started 2020. So all other departments started more than 20 years, but our
This
AI
is the longest
convergence.
surviving online course.
Yeah.
Right.
We started last year AI convergence and engineering.
And she's
department.
the department head of that department, so AI department.
Okay, so we teaches applied AI degree and big data curriculum.
Uh-huh.
So in the first year we teaches mathematics, AR, VR, basics of big data and computational thinking.
Mm-hmm.
And the second year we try to teach Python programming and industrial AI
Right.
and deep learning basics. And I'm in charge of AI, trustworthy AI course and AWS course. So also
You mean
this one.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we have also AWS cloud certificate course for
Right.
the students. We try to give them the platform, free platform to test their own cloud system, and then some of the students get the certificate, and we also try to open Microsoft MSLE loan for education.
I want to give a certificate to students of 싱귤래리티넷
Mm-hmm.
or even, IEEE. It won't be too much money, but it's to, establish the existence here in Korea as well as, to get some money. Because certificate, she can teach
Mm-hmm.
and we give a certificate.
Yes,
Yeah.
if you can provide the online contents, how to study, what we need to learn
Yeah,
about the
that's,
싱귤래리티넷, then
so
I can provide.
that's how we
to the
spread
students.
our,
Right.
metaverse or Sophiaverse
Yeah.
ideas.
Yes.
That's where I think Tufi would love this because he wants to have a ecosystem for hypercycle. People have to know how to hypercycle, to use it and to do something with it.
Yeah.
That's the education center's purpose for
Yeah.
us.
That's right. It's quite advanced.
Yeah.
Students are not 20s, not only 20s, they are all experienced from the company, they are 30s or developers, more than 10 years of
This is not regular
experience.
school, regular university where you graduate high school, go to school. Not that. They are this is a sort of vocational, vocational college where mid-term, mid-level, mid-aged people come in.
Uh-huh.
So they also have their own jobs. Some are developers, some are CEO of the IT company,
Like
and
they are teachers, but professors, but they have companies both.
so they are all experienced professors, and students are also experienced developers. So they try to learn new technology such as AI and big data.
Yeah, upgrade.
Right.
They usually upgrade the knowledge
Yeah.
and services. 개발한 것을 거기에 입혀가지고 실제로 돌아가는지를 지금 찾아보는 거예요. 그러니까 굉장히 중요한 모멘트입니다.
So Sophiaverse is more like a way of life or also an education, right? So if he puts that on there, he's going to ruin his screen. I don't know if they can see. Oh, I'm
they
getting the
can see.
reflection. It's okay.
네, 오케이.
So basically, you know that we believe that technology is advancing very rapidly, and we have dedicated our business to the formation of artificial general intelligence, which is the moment when machines think like humans and learn like humans.
AGI는 알죠, 그죠? 예.
When that happens, you reach a superintelligence quotient that perpetuates itself with extremely intelligent machines that are more intelligent than humans by 1,000,000 times or 1,000,000,000 times, people say, right? And that will change the way of the world, the way our society works, and the way we live. So, if we're headed in that direction, people must get ready for that and must learn to work and live with AIs and AGIs, and also help to develop these AIs and AGIs in a nice way, in a compassionate way, in a benevolent way, instead of a bad way, a militaristic way or something like that. Otherwise, because if AIs get developed in the wrong way, then all these people that are complaining now in Congress and this and that may be right. But if we can have free AI developing in a decentralized manner, with the control not in the hands of government, then that will be good.
그러니까 정부가 조종하지 않고 정부가 상관하지 않는 디센트럴라이즈, 그죠? 탈중앙화된 이런 큰 시스템을 만드는 거예요. 이제 AI하고 인간이 함께 그죠 공존하면서 여러 가지를 할 수 있는 이런 시스템을 지금 만들었어요. 얘들이. 하루 이틀 만에 만든 게 아니고 이거 만든 거 한 3, 4년 전에 시작해서 만들었어요. 네. 이거를 이제 어떻게 실행을 이제 해보려고 하고 있어요. 네.
So our goal is to do that in a game kind of environment, but also with other tools that we have, and helping people to learn how to code and develop our areas, right?
이 전체가 교육장이 되는 거예요. 여기 들어서 코딩도 하고 아까처럼 모든 걸 다 하고 여기 와서 생활도 하고 여기 와서 판매도 하고 여기 와서 회사도 운영하고 글로벌 브레인에다가 그러니까 AI, 휴먼, 하이브 마인드, AI하고 휴먼이 같이 사는 세계, 지금 현재 세계를 그냥 전부 다 이끌고 온 거예요. 이거 굉장한 겁니다. 지금 우리가 뭐 게임 하나 하는 게 아니고 세상을 바꾸자는 거죠.
There's another word in that, which is called swarm.
Yeah,
swarm
swarm.
intelligence.
Yeah, swarm intelligence.
Intelligence of the group.
swarm은 작은 기계 막 디바이스 뭐 이런 것들이 전부 다 한꺼번에 모여가지고 큰 로봇을 만들고 큰 차도 만들어버리고 큰 뭐를 만들고 이게 스왑 로봇이라고 하거든요.
We are a swarm intelligence, as it
그래서
is.
우리가 스왑 인텔리전스다. 이거 보통 한국 사람들은 모르는 말이에요. 스왑 인텔리전스는 한 사람 한 사람의 그죠 인텔리전스가 다 모인다 이런 소리.
So in many ways, this educational process that we're using opens the door for humans and AIs to work together, to learn, to work together. So that's why we created Sophiaverse. Sophia is the world's most famous AI robot, humanoid, and she is the perfect tool for people to use. And we use her because actually it's the AIs inside her brain that are going to become special. But she is the face, and we want to make her the face of AGI, and we call it the sentience of Sophia. That's part of our goal, our key goal.
Sentience라는 말도 이 사람들이 또 만들어서 많이 써.
So when
Sentience of Sophia.
So when she becomes the sentient, she can take over her own Sophiaverse and run her own hive mind and all of this.
그러니까 글로벌 브레인을 만들어서 거기에 이제 헤드는 소피아가 되고 소피아가 센텐스 돼 가지고 모든 사람이 이제 그 욕망, 뭐 the desire, 뭐 need, 뭐 이런 거를 전부 다 소피아가 해결해주는 그런.
So if you look at like the screen, you'll see that we have many different tools that we use for that. And the Sophia AI Labs is the web app. The Sophia Age of Singularities is the game itself. The AI Human Hive Mind is the center point. But also we have the AI Sentience Code we want to develop. And the AI Sentience Code basically is using our personal code of SingularityNet and Hansen Robotics, providing opportunities for people to enter this code, GitHub, and also our own SDK, and allow them to use that code to build their own AI and robotics models on Sophia and on other
일반
things.
코드가 아니고 그죠? 우리가 지금 제가 아까 그레이스 봤죠? 핸슨 로보틱스 코드하고 소피아 코드 이런 걸 일반인들이 많이 배우면 지금 있는 코드보다 한 단계 높은 코드다. 그거를 배워서 결국은 그 안에서 행정도 하고 뭐 모든 그죠? 그런 거를 할 수 있게 센텐스 코드라고 그래요. AI 센텐스 코드를 세상에 퍼뜨리고 싶다.
So that can be the basis of an education program itself, right? How to use that code, how to develop it, how you can build, and because of using that code,
당장 요거를 가져와서 가르쳐도
actually, if you're entering the hive mind, you're using the code. When you write code for us, you get paid, you get rewards.
예, 센텐스 코드 저거는
Right.
코드 해가지고 올리면은 돈 받아요.
Sentence code is meaning program language.
Sentence
AI
code is
sentence
the
code.
open source code of SNet and the
Program
open
language. Programmable language.
yes, OpenCog Hyperion is what we use, and
우리가
also
싱귤래리티넷에서
Hansen has
쓰는
his own HR SDK, but it's all open source. So you have a chance to build on that. You have a chance to create products. You have a chance to learn on it and play around with it, whatever you like. And we would like Sophia to teach it, to teach people how. Let's say I come into Sophiaverse, I don't know about coding. I want to learn. We want to teach people how to use code and how to do that. So it's part of what you do, right? So that's important. And then of
그래서
course,
처음에는 우리 선생님이 가르치지만 결국은 소피아가 나중에 전 인류를 다 가르칠 수 있게 교육장이 되는 거예요.
AI sentence code is meaning no code too, like low code, no code, no code.
No NO, no
no code.
coding.
사람들이
Yeah.
그냥 no code 이렇게 코딩 안 하는 코딩 랭귀지.
Can you
well, you would know better than I.
예, can you? So 그럼 나중에는 우리가 그렇게 개발하면 돼요. LOW에서
no.
그러니까 노 코딩으로 해서 단추만 누르고 할 수 있게 다 할 수 있어요. 이 사람은 그런 쪽에는 지는지는 잘 모르니까.
You have to go into the GitHub and check it out. 'Cause it's in the GitHub.
GitHub에 이거 다 있어요. AI 센텐스
아,
코드.
기서 오케이, understand. 기서 알죠.
Okay. Paper on this. So if you want to learn more, you can go through the white paper.
Yeah,
Right.
this is translated into Korean, and it is in 유엔미래포럼 안에 이거 다 여기에 가는 거 아까
Right.
그것도
So
다
here
돼 있어.
you can
근데
see
번역만
every,
해갖고 설명이 안 돼.
you can read about everything that you want, about the history, the NFTs, the technology, the AI human hive mind concept.
우리는 이걸 만들고 싶은 거지. AI 휴먼과 협조하는 하이브 마인드.
어제 발표가
이거.
And then, you know, the AIGI, the Creating AGI, our Sentience Code project, the OpenCog, more detail, the labs. You got a lot of stuff there. Goes 55 pages of stuff.
We were studying with the software engineers.
Yeah.
This is the game.
And if you meet the Korean partner like Kakao,
Yeah.
what are you trying to do?
I think that someone like that will be very interested in, first of all, perhaps doing this in the Korean language and working globally with us, you know, as a partner. You know, we also have something here I wanted to show you that you have not seen that came from my guys. like for example, we're doing an equity company, like I told you before. Oh, 1 second, I'm not online. An equity company, and the equity company is going to be a larger gaming infrastructure because we're very strong in technology, of course, right? I'm just going to see if I can get you the deck for this. So, you know, something like this. Let's see how I can step up the size. Is that he's put a different kind of deck together, but this is for like Sony. This will probably something that'd be good for SK groups like that. So that's like, you know, using the IP plus the AI plus the Web3, right? And then he uses our information on his also, which is a combination of the Mandela and ourselves, which is two areas, two games.
만델라 게임에 소피가
And
연결돼
you can see
있고.
the infrastructure here.
Yeah.
It's very deep. So we have our own infrastructure. But look at their infrastructure too.
Yeah.
It's like they have Lion Tree, Cardano, Polkadot,
Yeah.
Polygon.
Okay.
They work with all of them, right? So they're partnering with us to raise this capital because they love our vision.
그러니까 이게 이제 싱귤래리티넷 안에 있는 회사들인데 그죠? 한 100개 중에서 13개만 뽑았는데 여기 하이퍼 사이클이 여기 있고 그다음에 어웨이크닝 헬스가 이 사람이 하고 있는 소피아 지금 그레이스 가지고 있는 회사고 뭐 이런 게 추 AGI 뭐 이런 것들이 많이 있어요. 리주브 소피아버스가 여기 있어요. 그런데 이 회사 만델라도 자기들의 또 생태계가 또 있는 거예요. 이렇게 생태계가 있어서 회사들이 많잖아요, 그죠? 거기에 관련된 회사가 있고 여기에 소피아 버스가 있고 싱귤래리티넷이 밑에 있죠. 그래서 얘들은 뭘 만들면 그냥 보통 회사가 그죠 한 30개, 20개가 막 달라붙어서 같이 이미 하고 있는 회사들끼리 또 다른 이제 뭐라 그러지 아이템이나 뭘 가지고 새로운 회사를 만들고.
And then they have the business model and all the stuff that we're doing together to create this, right? And this will be a large equity company, not coin. The coin will sit in the Sophia Labs, but it gives you, like, you know, you can see all the different groups that they're working with on the blockchain, all the big blockchain, Netflix, you know, Universal Studios, the whole thing.
그러니까 유니버스
Unreal.
스타도 있네.
Unreal, which is part of
만들 마인드 마이즈도 있고
Immutable X, and you know, all of them.
이즈기움도 있고 카르다노 이 사람은 카르다노하고 많이 관계가 돼 있고.
And this is their team.
Okay.
Study of.
Okay. Good.
Right, Kevin Fox is the guy from also the Blair Witch Project, the producer. Very cool guy. All of these guys are really intelligent, right? I mean, look, all Harvard.
뭘 하버드고 뭐 그저 워너 브라더스 있었던 사람 콜롬비아 대학교 워너 뭐 하여튼.
So this is the other part of what we're doing. So I work closely with John and Kevin on this, but we can bring them in, and they're amazing content producers, right?
Wow.
Look, Disney and Pixar,
디즈니하고
Marvel,
픽사도 있고
Sony
있네.
Interactive,
Yeah.
right? Just look at the advisors, Sony, and you know, everybody's in there, right? So we have strong,
우리하고 저 같이 일하는 사람들이 이런 사람들이다.
and that's the Mandela story.
우리나라의 회사에 들어가는 어드바이저하고 이 사람들이 들어가는 어드바이저하고는 근본적으로 달라. 이 사람들은 최고급을 최고.
Then he puts our deck in there, right?
Oh, okay.
So so this one is the actual one where people can come in and they can own the infrastructure with us and build it with us, but not through the coin, but through actual cash investment. So if they don't like coin, they can come into this bigger company at the top level.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's it. And I think that, you know, how you think that you can work on this or what you'd like to do is up to you. You know, YS is our representative here. So, you know, whatever she thinks is
나도
best.
공부하는 중인데 아무튼 이거 다 알기 힘들어요. 나는 근데 한 20년 뭐 풍을 그죠? 수단계 3년에 뭐 어쩌지 그냥 아는 건데 하도 많이 들으니까 휴지 에리아인데 맨날 바뀌어. 아까 한 몇 개월만 지나면 싹 다 바뀌어가지고 또 배워야 되고 또 배워야 되고 끝이 없어요. 그래서 예.
Thanks for introducing.
Yeah, no, this has been a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of work.
Okay. Right.
And then I think there's a smaller one that I can give you. I'm wondering if he sent me that one. There's this one.
그러니까 여기에 저 하나의 일부분이 되면
Same.
나중에 뭐 이 사람들 한 10년 뭐 이렇게 보면 진짜 이제 AI, 휴먼, 하이브 마인드 시대가 와서 그냥 거대한 우주처럼 거대한 새로운 세상 하나를 만들고 그때쯤 되면은 얘들이 가지고 있는 이런 거 뭐 월렛이나 뭐 토큰이나 이런 거 무진장 그죠?
So I think that the combination of potentially a very solid educational program like you have, combined with our exciting view of the world and a mission that we have, might work as an educational institution. Because I think education is one thing. What is the mission and what is the view of an educational institution is another, right? So you have to have a philosophy. You can see we have a philosophy that we can provide.
야, 우리는 확실하게 철학이 있습니다. 저 AI 휴먼 하이브 마인드를 만들어. 쓰잘데없이 뭐 이것저것 싸우는 사람들 그죠? 쓰잘데없이 북한하고 뭐 남한하고 뭐 싸우고 뭐 쓰잘데없이 전쟁하고 이런 거 없이 그냥 평화롭게
What is your thinking?
거대한 하이브 마인드 속에 들어와서 같이 사는데 다 만들어야지. 이걸 만드셔야지.